This is what happens, right? Towards the end. I have to cake off. Hi everybody, welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, and like. If you want the notifications, hit the little bell and get all of my recipes. Today we are making chicken piccata. Super easy. We are going to start with some really good olive oil. So we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of the Instapot. On the Instapot, you can see that I hit sauté already just to get it heated up. We're gonna put some salt, my favorite salt. I like it. I like the sound. It makes me happy. And we're gonna salt and pepper it. So these are about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And what I did is they were kind of thick, so I sliced them and I quartered them. And that way it'll free up some of the cooking time. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And then what we'll do is slowly start browning them, a little bit at a time. We don't want to crowd the pan because it'll cool down. And we'll do them in batches. So I'll do about 4 of them. Then when you see the chicken, it's all nice and brown on the outside, we're going to go ahead and take it out. Woo! Hot potato, hot chicken. Just like that. And then in the pot, we're going to add a cup of chicken broth, carefully. Shake it all in there. And then we have some minced up garlic. I don't have a spoon. Whoa. Gonna put the garlic in. And then we have a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of dried basil. And then you're going to scrape up the little bits on the bottom. All those little chicken pieces that have all those flavors, we're gonna scrape them up, mix in the garlic, the herbs. Smells good. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup. Oh man, I have to get all the herbs out. Some were left over, so yeah, I can't do that. Okay, let me stir them in there. There we go. Just like that. 1/4 cup lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. A little bit of the pulp, it's delicious. And just like that, you have a yummy sauce. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter, which is going to make it a little bit more creamy. Give it that yummy buttery flavor. So good. It's amazing. Gonna love it. Stir it in there. Can you smell that? Can you smell it? Oh, it's so good. It's delicious. Then we're going to take the chicken that we browned and we're going to put it back in. Just like that. Layer it in. Who's coming over for dinner? Then this is a half a cup of capers, drained. So the capers it's about 2 ounces, 2 ounces of capers. Drained, just put them right on top, just like that. Then we are going to stop the Instapot. And we're going to put the lid on. Seal it, and we're going to set it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to release it, let all the air out, vent it, and then serve it over buttered pop. I almost said buttered popcorn. I didn't mean buttered popcorn. You could serve it over buttered popcorn, buttered pasta. So after the 10 minutes of cook time, we went ahead and vented. We vented the rest of the air out. Woo, hot. And you can see, oh my gosh, how pretty this is. Now, if you want the juice to be a little bit thicker, you can saute it for a little while, reduce it down. I'm gonna eat it just like that because it's so yummy. So we made some pasta ahead of time and put some butter on it. I have a little bit of chives. I'm gonna just present it. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken. Just like that. We're gonna get a little bit of the sauce, the buttery, lemony, the little bit salty and briny of the capers. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it right over. I'm gonna add just a little bit of these chives. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. Let me take a bite. I mean, what the heck, right? We don't want to let this go to waste. It looks super hot, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Look at, I could cut the chicken with a fork. Give me some of those capers, some of the noodles. Oh, seriously? Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to be polite. It's so good. You could put a little squeeze of fresh lemon over it. It would be delicious, just like that. Ooh. You don't have to do anything else. If you like this recipe, please leave me a comment, subscribe, like, get your notifications, drop me a message. I'd appreciate it. Let me know how you like this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy.